Hello everybody. I hope everyone will find the information they want in the video. Before going to the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Happy watching. Planned with powerful first impression and something more significant, the i7 is irrefutably charming from the back to front. The expressive, stylish and most recent innovation guarantee your total solace, yet change each crash into a leader relax. The i7 offers all-electric development, visionary plan, and strong driving elements, so you can drive the world. When you look past a portion of the more gimmicky components of the BMW i7's innovation offering, you understand it's most likely the best extravagance vehicle this side of a Rolls-Royce. The smooth, tranquil and strong electric powertrain is an extraordinary counterpart for the vehicle's uncommon ride solace on UK streets, brilliant refinement and roomy back lounge. The cost before long inflatables with choices, however the i7 more than legitimizes its significant expense. There's a kind of capture bonding impact that goes with BMW's invasion of dubious grille plans. Initially they appeared to be stunning, but, simply through being around them a piece, you begin to become acclimated to and, might we venture to say it, even value the boldness, similar to a prisoner beginning to favor their capturer. The BMW i7 is an all-electric cantina that has a few disputable looks and joins the 9 as the electric leader of the BMW lineup. It's the EV option in contrast to the 7 Series and highlights the most recent battery innovation from the German firm. It's a ton like purchasing a decent fake calfskin coat rather than one produced using a cow, and it's sufficient to have gotten a 2023 Car Wow Get It grant. Looks-wise, the i7 will divide sentiments. However, whenever you're utilized to it, the huge kidney grills and split headlights look pretty savvy, while the long hat oozes class. The limousine styling go on down the side, so it can look a piece chunk-sided, yet the discretionary two-tone paint choice could be a victory on the off chance that you like something lick.